Hi, welcome back dear subscriber. Today I have come up with a new updates regarding NPTEL examination 2020 for semester January to April. So I got almost more than 50 comments that the NPTEL is currently not working, what's happened, what will be happen, am I able to write examination or not, and so give you the better suggestion that how you can get internship in this lockdown and how you can apply the internship and earn pocket money and you can earn the internship certificate. Also, I will tell you that NPTEL is also providing domain courses. You can complete domain courses from NPTEL, and as well as you can also earn the NPTEL Star certificate you can earn. So I have already earned 3 NPTEL Star certificate, you can see here. So I will tell you those all things how you can earn, and I will show you first what type of certificate NPTEL used to give. This type of certificate NPTEL used to give for a star student. So those everything I will cover one by one in different video, but in this video at last I will first tell you how you can apply for the internship and you can secure the internship with the certificate and recommendation. So now let's get started. So currently when you are going to change the examination mode, like you are going for right now, there is 2 options available right now, not before this. From yesterday itself it was 2 options. Currently it is not working. You can see here the option means yesterday some people, a lots of NPTEL learner complained to NPTEL that they are something feeling unfair with 2 options. So they make the request to NPTEL, a lots of requests. So NPTEL decided to sit a committee and decide what they have to plan for the action. So they are currently working on that, and the reason they have disabled this option. And now the deadline which was given before for June 7 5 p.m. was the last date to change your exam center or cancel your exam, but now that is no more valid. It means the NPTEL will announce the new deadline for this all process, so you need not to worry. And I had also got the lots of complaints about the NPTEL is only allowing to select same city in all those 3 choice. Then you need not to worry, already the option is not working, and hope once the NPTEL will again enable the form, then that problem has been fixed, will be fixed. So you need not to worry. So this is the information regarding the registration, and please you wait and you also subscribe the channel. So once the NPTEL will release any authorized information regarding this and the deadline and how to apply and what are the new option NPTEL is adding, what the new course of command NPTEL is providing, those all details I will provide in the next video once the NPTEL will announce the formal authorized information. So please you do subscribe the channel and stay connected. And now I am going to tell you briefly about how the NPTEL is offering the domain courses and how you can earn the star certificate. So I am briefly telling, and how you can also download mark sheet of the NPTEL. So those things I will just introduce in this video, and in next video I will provide the full video on that. And you can also go and check my playlist, there is everything available. So I will also record the new video and put accordance, and at last I will explain about how you can apply for the internship. So coming to the courses, you can go on this page by typing nptel.ac.in/amc/. You can go this page, and there is you can see domain courses. Domain courses means like Oracle is providing courses for machine learning, web development, deep learning, and Coursera is also providing, Udemy is providing, Coding Ninja is providing. So there is domain courses, right? That types of domain courses is also offered by NPTEL. you can also go for the domain courses. There are all branches, there are different domain courses. So these are the list of domain courses. You can see these are the list for computer science domain courses. This is bioengineering domain courses, civil engineering domain courses. So what are the details about the domain courses? I will definitely provide in any other video. So please you stay connected, so you will learn and you can get the better knowledge about the NPTEL platform, and you can earn the domain certificate. Right. I have also not got domain certificate so far, but I am very close to got 3 domain certificates very soon. So earlier I had also no information about it, but when I go on, then I got this all information. So I feel better to share this information with you. And now there is another category is NPTEL Star. So NPTEL is considered you as a star, NPTEL Star. So you can also get this NPTEL Star tag and badge. So I have already got 3 NPTEL Star badge. So you can see here in my profile I have got 3 NPTEL Motivated Learners, NPTEL Discipline Star, NPTEL Believers. So 3 criteria I have got already, and there is 4 more star certificate is there. So I will very soon, within 1 or 2 semester, I will get those all certificate too. So I will also suggest in the other video that how you can be NPTEL Star, and this many I have already done so many courses from NPTEL, so I can give you the better references. So please you subscribe the channel to stay connected, and I will show you one NPTEL Star certificate. So this is NPTEL Motivated Learner Star certificate. So this one certificate I am showing you, okay, just for demo. And now I am going to how you can apply for internship and you can earn the money. So currently Internsala is offering a lots of internship, and using that internship you can earn 1,000 to 20,000 per month from home, working from home you can earn. And you can also get internship certificate, as well as you can also get the recommendation for your job in future from the company. Moreover, you can also improve your skill, and you can gain the better knowledge and understanding about the market, how the market is working, and you can explore the different opportunity for your future job. So I am also the ISP of the Internsala. That is ISP means Internsala Student Partner Program. So from the Internsala Partner Program I am also one representative. So I have the better idea about the Internsala platform. So you can apply this internship even you are in first year or final year, or even you are not BTech student, any other student, even you are in 10th class you can apply. But definitely you have to select the internship based on your skill set. Right. So this is the link I am going to explain you. Already I have provided the detailed video on it. You can go in my channel and you can just check the video. There is how to apply summer internship. So there is video I have already provided, but here I am telling you how you can apply using this. So you can find these all details in comment section as well as in video description. Okay, so you go and comment section or video description, you click on this registration link and you can sign up using your Google account and you can create the account. Right, you may get one mail later on. In your mail later on you check your mail and you just verify it by putting your phone number or whatever they require. The next thing is if you apply register, after registration it will tell you refer 5 friends, your 5 friends or 5 colleagues using your links to register, then only you will be allowed to apply for internship, and that is messy. No one wants to. You don't feel comfortable to ask your friend and colleagues, please, 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 you register, then I can apply. You can't do it because due to self-respect. If you also tell your friend, please you register for this, apply for internship, then your friend feel like that you are seeking for your benefits. Otherwise, you would not ask. They may not appreciate you. So I am giving you the alternate way. So you can also you can also apply for internship without referring your friends. And once you share this information, then your friends will be too happy, because he or she will feel that yes, this is the guy, this is my guys. They are helping me, really they helped me out. They shared me information that I can apply even internship without referring of them. So please you note it and you do apply, and you also recommend your friend to apply. So you need not to refer your friend. After registration, you just close the tab and you again go to this link and click on the link. Okay, this link. So this will open the page where you can apply. So there you have to first create your resume. So that is the first, only when you are applying for the first time they will ask, because when you apply for internship, the person who are going to recruit is, that person need your details, what are the skill set you have, where you have to study, what is your name. So those details required. So you can go for that and you can fill those details. So I will show you how you can fill those details. So please you wait. I will refer you the video so you can go through. Otherwise you may caught in dilemma. So let me wait please. I am going, okay. My channel, video, okay. And in video.
हेलो गाइस, आज मैं आप सबके लिए
Wait, this is also you can learn the free courses. A lot of free courses I have already providing you all. Okay, so you can go through those courses and enhance your skills. Okay, where it is. Okay, now you can see here, this is the video how to apply for internship, summer internship 2020 with full details. So here I have filled those all resume part, how you can fill those all resume part, everything I have added here. So you can go and watch, you just note it, you just go and type or you check out, or otherwise I will provide the link. Okay, I will provide the link in description. You can go and check how to fill the resume part, right? After completing the resume, you can apply. So when you go for apply, at first it will show you enroll now, and now here you will get confused. Enroll now, that is advertisement. On the first tab, that is advertisement. They are advertising summer training program. So you don't click on enroll now, you just scroll down and you can see here view detail. You can see view details, and there you go and check it out and you can apply. So this is complete things about the internship. You can apply, and some question I want to tell you and answer those questions so you will not get confused. So some of you are asking, can I apply for more than one? Yes, you can apply for any number, 100, 200, 300 internship. And once you get one, you can reject out of no problem. But at least you apply 5 to 6, so you have the better chance to go with. Right. Some is asking, is they are providing certificate? Yes, they are providing certificate. You can check in details when you are going to apply for the internship. And you need not to pay anything, even single rupee for the internship. Those company will give you those money, right? So at the time of applying, you can see how much money which company is offering. so you can check it and you will get certificate definitely. And regarding recommendation letter, so some are providing, some are not. So at the time of applying you can read those all details. Like I told you now, you can go and click on view details. From there you can view the details and you can apply. And please, you don't be selfish, you share this information with all your friends. Your friend will definitely appreciate you for sharing this information. So please, you share this. Even you can share the link of this video with your friends so they can get full information regarding this and appreciate it. So you go through and you apply, and full detail I have provided here on this video. Where it is, this video I will provide the link, so you can go follow up and you can apply. And in case of doubt, you can ask me at any time. Okay, and this internship is still valid for some days, so you can go and better you apply as soon as possible. Right. So everything is I have mentioned in this video, and still you have any doubt, then please you can ask in comment section, either related to the NPTEL updates or this Internshala platform and internship. So thank you again all the subscriber, and if you have not subscribed the channel, then what you are waiting for? You subscribe the channel and click on bell icon, so you will be always getting educational video from Deep Codec Guru. And please, you also join Telegram group of Deep Codec Guru. You will get the link in video description as well as in comment section. So thanks a lot. Please stay safe, stay learning, and get ready for NPTEL exam, as well as you also get ready for to grasp the opportunity of Internshala summer internship.